Hi, I am Chef Md Alamraza Khan. Chicken 555 is a popular spicy Indian appetizer known for its crispy and flavorful texture. Here's a quick and easy recipe. Chef Md Alamraza Khan. To make this dish, homemade recipe. Ingredients: 300 grams boneless chicken, cut into thin strips. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. Salt to taste. Oil for frying. For the garnish, 1 medium onion, sliced. 1 to 2 green chilies, slit lengthwise. Curry leaves. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped. 1/2 teaspoon chaat masala, optional. Lemon wedges for serving. Instructions. Marinate the chicken. In a mixing bowl, combine the chicken strips with ginger garlic paste, yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, and salt. Mix well so the chicken is coated evenly. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. You can refrigerate it for better results. Fry the chicken. Heat oil in a deep pan for frying. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken strips in batches and fry until they are golden and crispy. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Remove the fried chicken with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Prepare the garnish. In a separate pan, add a small amount of oil. Add sliced onions, green chilies, and curry leaves, and saute until the onions turn slightly golden. Add the fried chicken pieces to this mixture and toss for a few seconds for added flavor. Garnish and serve. Sprinkle with chaat masala and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with lemon wedges on the side. Enjoy your spicy and delicious chicken 555 as an appetizer or a side. Please subscribe YouTube channel TTS 2.0. Please like and share. Thanks for you.